Alright, so I thought it would be helpful for you to see what it would look like on a mobile device. And so I've created just a simple Meet Now, and I'm actually going to be using my iPad to join. So I've joined I set it up as a student. Notice we're just on the web, and the student organized this, and the student then can make people attendees, or they can make them presenters. If they make them presenters, then they can use the share button, which is so nice to be able to share any content, whether it's from your desktop, a PowerPoint, whiteboard, and so forth. But I am going to have them be a presenter, so that way I can share what the mobile device looks like. And so then once it's shared as a presenter, then the person on the other device can go ahead and click on their share button, even if they're on an iPad, and it gives them the option of sharing their screen. And so in a second here, you'll see it say broadcast, and it'll show the iPad screen. There you go. And this is what Windows looks like on, Windows. This is what Teams looks like on an iPad. And so I can click here. You can see I'm inside of Teams. If I go back, there's what the team looks like. So posts inside of a channel are really easy to see. You just go over to a certain side and select your channel, and then you can read any posts. I'm just waiting for it to log in, but you can also do new posts directly in here, so you'll see that at the bottom. You have a file section. There's the posts. Give it a second there. We have a little bit of a lag, but same look and everything like that. And if they need to type a message, you can type right in there, of course. And you have all of those same buttons for images, for GIFs, for attachments. All of those things are in there. So that was pretty much the same. If I go to files, it brings up any files that are either put in through the process of us posting, or if they're preset files that were put in there, like in a general file. Remember, we added that rubric. And then when I click on more, it's going to give me some other options, such as my class notebook. Basically all the extra tabs that were in there, the exit ticket that we created, the website, the OneNote, the class notebook. So I can go to any of these. So it looks pretty simple there. And so I've been in Teams the whole time, and it'll actually show all of my teams over here on the left. The other thing you can do is it brings up your little chat area, so you can chat, and you also have activities down at the bottom left. And so that's going to be your activity tab. So basically what you saw on the left side on the app itself, and on and what you're seeing right over here is down at the bottom on the web page, or on the app. So you got assignments, calendars. I can go to assignment. There we go. And so the last part under more is you can have your files, your camera. You can organize a wiki, any other type of things you've added, and so you can bring those up and bring those down, and pretty simple. So that's how it works. If on the left side, if you wanted to see kind of how you're logged in, all of those settings, whether you're in a call, notifications, and things like that, plus if you've added any other organizations, they would be there too. So that's just a quick walkthrough of the mobile app. Now, as far as this meeting is concerned, it showed up in the chat, but it also showed up just like it does before. You click on the join button. So it's pretty easy to join a meeting and add people and control stuff. You can also look at your other teams too. So much. All right. Well, this has been great. I hope you enjoyed this course, and lots of fun stuff here with Teams.